Hey, what's going on? So today, finally gonna go look at some shops. We've been looking into this for months now. A lot of places around here, Sacramento, California, they don't allow anything automotive related. So every place even industrial, every place we contacted, every realtor we talked to, they pretty much said no, even though we would just be using it for personal use, not like customers or anything. They also know, but one of North's subscribers reached out to him actually at school, walked up to him, told him about this guy he knew, I guess, or him. I'm not sure. But Nora reached out to that person and explained everything we would be doing, and that person was perfectly okay with it. He said he has 2 properties, so I'm gonna go over to Nora's right now. From there, we're gonna head out, look at them, and everything's good. We have the money right now to go ahead and get our stuff moved into the shop and start making more content. So hopefully everything goes good. Really looking forward to this. Actually, I probably don't seem that excited because it's like 8 a.m. right now and I'm supposed to be there already. So they're probably not gonna be happy with me, but yeah, let's get over there. Of course, got to get a cold start. Battery flow apparently. It is like the complete push, so maybe I need to plug it in. And I don't know if it charges it, I don't know how that works, but I guess it's put in. So yeah, let's get over there. So now we're all gonna take one car because where it's in like North Highlands and then one's in Rancho. So they're not like really close to each other or anything.
Police station now, so that's kind of sketch. I like how we feel sketched out when it's next to.
So we're here, gonna look for the unit. I think it's D. You said A and B, right? Or am I tripping? 6'5", A and B.
We might have to snag this on the spot. We'll have to see. A, J, we're almost there.
This one is 600, I think.
600 BMW a month?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
And the
take it.
other one. See what
Look
this
at all
is.
the spider webs.
What?
Alright, well, I mean.
Oh god.
Oh, it's hella webs. Oh, I just ate it first. Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, hell no. This will fit his Genesis, and that's it.
There's no room for activity.
Well, you can go up there. You can work up there. Literally, I don't know. This is one car, and I still don't think I can move around it.
I don't think you'd be able to even get a jack.
No, this is just for show. This is just to see how it shop.
Well, there's more room in here.
I wish this wall.
Here, let's just take this wall out.
What do you mean?
This whole entire wall.
Oh, if you just have take it down.
Oh, there's a bathroom.
We'll just have a bathroom.
I would.
Is it?
look bad at all.
It's A and B.
Oh, I see that E46.
You said W?
Unit W.
I thought you said A and B.
245?
Yeah. I like how we got a letter.
Fuck, women broke our back.
It's Forky.
Bro, it's the last one and it's occupied. What the fuck? It's occupied.
Holy shit. Yeah, this is a lot better than that other one.
Yeah. Yeah, this is much better.
Dude, you mean webs hurting me into?
Yeah, this is much better.
This is huge. Like this, you can actually put 4 legs and actually have your Genesis in here.
So check this out. Look how big this place is really nice. Like you could definitely fit 5, 6 cars in here.
Dude, I'm actually thinking we could put 20 cars up in here, dude.
Calm down.
20 cars.
We like wide bodies and bags. So
But we won't have room for Devon, so Devon's gonna have to be up there. Yeah.
so yeah, my car's not gonna fit. So we think we're gonna go ahead,
I think we gotta
go with this because it's bigger than It's
we were
bigger than we
expecting.
were expecting. We're gonna edit that out. This is a family channel. All right.
Oh, now it's a family channel.
It's a family channel. But yeah, there's room for. They said it was 6 to 7 cars, but that's not even including the lift. So if we put a lift in there, you're obviously gonna be able to put a car underneath that and on top. So
Maybe like I gave you the first month's rent.
yeah,
All right, Devon, since you're in charge, here's the first month's rent.
M3 money, all of it.
That's my baby right there, just getting broken apart.
So yeah, the cashier's check for the shop has to be all in one. So I'm just gonna do it. It's probably easy. I always go to the bank anyway.
And
so.
Devon always has money. So we're relying on him to pay it. And we
Yeah,
don't pay
hopefully
him.
we don't get declined. We'll see.
Yeah, you dropped your GoPro way too many times.
Hey,
You need to put a case on that.
so Harbor Freight. We'll see what we're gonna buy and things we don't need. I forgot to do the coupons for all this stuff.
I scanned it.
I mean, I forgot to do like the individual.
Oh, you had individuals?
Yeah. First couple editions solely for the shop. See that when we get back there, and we're gonna go on another. We're gonna go on a shopping spree too.
Oh, once we get the garage, oh man, we're gonna be bought money. That's what I'm talking about.
We have like $100 budget.
Something like that.
All the other.
We go to the
movies.
dollar store, get like 20 bags. Jamie was the epoxy.
No, he just said about the keys. Nora asked him about the lifts. He's like, "Can we put a lift in there?" The guy's, he's like, "You can put 3 lifts if you want." We're like, "Yeah." He's like, "You can put epoxy. You can do." He basically said we can do whatever we want. Like,
For real.
Anything.
he did say.
Yeah.
He hinted at some other stuff people do.
Bro, we got the keys, dude. That's insane. It's so hype. Look at this, dude.
At 0 to 60. Damn.
She's got power.
12 seconds. 0 to 60. So we got both of these. 2 of them.
Hey, man.
We got parking too. We got parking for days. John just came out. Nice shirt.
Hey, thanks.
Got one too, but
Cop your merch. Link in the description
Merch.
below. Let me see them titties, boy. What? God, this place is huge.
Dude, this is ours.
Yo.
This is ours.
Damn, you did it.
Did you get the keys?
No.
Somebody need to give him the
I don't
damn
have keys. I don't have keys. We're all vlogging.
Lifts up in here, the amount of bills, it's gonna be insane. I'm Guys, the amount of light that's coming up in here, we don't even need light.
we don't need.
True electricity.
aren't even on.
Huh?
I know. Yeah.
No, we have light bars. That's just the natural light.
Yeah. This is just like a sunroof light. struggling to get this other door open, but.
Oh my god, this is. What is that?
Oh! What the f is that? What the f? Oh shit! Oh, why'd he turn like that?
Hold up. Yeah, close our shop there. Get out of here.
He did square up.
Is that a lizard?
What do you think?
This is sick. Can't wait. We need to put our cars in there.
Password.
Moron.
It's the crib.
Here it is.
Got the bathroom, you know, when you're rushing in the house.
Oh, okay.
You gotta take a piss as soon as you come in. We got AC in here, so we gotta fix the door. Yeah. It's the first room. We just moved in. It's like my third property this month.
Here you go. Damn, the view.
Yeah, we got a nice view.
Whoa, shit.
See, look
There
at
it
that.
is.
We got pedestrians out here.
Yep.
And they see lighting. We got our windows. We got our windows down
You
the
can
room.
see the neighbor over there.
Yeah, we see. But no, we own the neighbor's house too.
And it comes with a view? The fresh breeze and everything. Oh man.
We got a,
What is that?
I don't know how that is.
You got neighbors.
Yeah, we got neighbors. I don't know how we're going there yet. We got the dog in there, so he don't want to be bothered.
This is it.
Jokes almost.
Nah, dude, I like this is our happy place, bro. What you saying?
Clangers?
Furniture, have you?
120 bucks?
That's hella cheap for a rug. How big is it?
5x6. That fits.
That's hella small, dude. 5x6. That's gonna be so.
What you got there?
Ooh, look at all those plates. Oh, it's right down there. How much is it? Is that it?
It's $5 for the small plate, so it's too much for this.
Oh, yeah,
These are-
750 bucks.
Yeah. So we're only getting the essentials. Got a rug here. So we got our first load of stuff for the shop.
And honestly, it could be ours.
Mostly clean stuff.
Like, honest, think about it.
I have a mess of computer stuff in here. I got a guy coming to pick up one. It's back here. So now I gotta get to it. They did the install without me.
I'm sorry, bro. I wanted you to have a warm welcome. Dude, look at the placement, like the gap on this side compared to the gap on this side.
The fitment.
The fitment's insane.
I'm out. I'm leaving.
This is a lot of bath. We literally just went bathroom shit.
Guess how much all this stuff costs? How much it
It was
costs?
like $28.
$22. All of
28.
it. No, 22.
22 at Dollar Tree and then 99 cents.
Oh yeah,
$6,
okay.
$7.
So 22 at Dollar Tree, 28.
26
Total,
dollars.
yes.
Yeah, like 28 in total.
Yeah, we got like toilet paper.
Literally everything, dude. Like, look at all this stuff. We even got, we're already ready for the spiders and shit.
Yeah, this is for spiders. We should have got two.
We'll just smash them without even capturing
We should
them.
have got two.
Honestly.
We can't put them. That's animal cruelty. We're gonna release them into the wild. We're gonna put them in a better place.
Oh, we got time for that. I'm sorry. Oh, hell no.
Yeah. So yeah, everyone should be proud because we're gonna clean it up. We're not just gonna come in here
Just put out a carpet.
and just start doing like car stuff, dragging stuff everywhere. We're actually gonna make it look nice, look homey. We have
Just can't wait to put the TV up here, the couch.
We're gonna have a
the
TV, a
coffee
couch.
table, Put some like, like pictures and stuff on the
yeah,
wall.
car pictures, decorations.
Dang.
He has a couple
Lines.
companies that are gonna send him out some banners and stuff for like some
Yeah.
sponsors. Here we're gonna have an editing room. I'm gonna build 2 PCs for it.
Oh, shout out to Devon. Dang.
Some nice PCs to go in here. And look at this view you get while you're editing behind the desk. Like you're gonna see some cars out here taken apart in pieces, but Still looking nice. Dang.
FYI guys, we're putting up cameras. So
Yeah.
don't think, don't know
Yeah.
funny business, alright? We're
It's
putting
gonna
up
be
cameras
cameras.
tomorrow, so
They're
by the time
going
that
up.
video goes up,
We got cameras.
we got security, alarm system, everything.
We got a camera set from Costco. I have a guy coming up to install it, so yeah, don't think about it. Also, one of the first things we plan on doing in here is epoxying this floor. It is going to be a lot of work because it looks like there's old epoxy here. So we might have to scrape all this up. Yeah, it's honestly not going to be very fun at all, but for the metallic finish we're going for, it's definitely going to be worth it. Hopefully we end up sticking through and doing this because I can just imagine how good this is going to look. I'm going to put a lift there, a lift here, have our tools along this back wall. Probably going to have a paint booth in that area. And yeah, we have a long way to go. It's going to be worth it. You love teriyaki?
No. I don't mind it. I don't mind it. Let's check it out.
So we got some more stuff for the shop. Water for days.
And then
Ginger ale.
The extra, the Canadian dry. This guy. They never do that. It's so funny.
Yeah. Till you start rolling downhill. So we had a pretty productive day.
Very productive day.
Time to call the night because we realized we don't have electricity in the shop yet. So I'm gonna be calling Spud.
Yeah, you didn't even call him yet?
No, it wouldn't let me do it online.
R.I.P.
On my phone, it wouldn't let me do it.
Well,
So I'll call them in the morning. Hopefully they can get that on soon because they're gonna be there. But you have water,
we have water.
no electricity. That's all we really need for now. Like, because I don't think anything. Oh, damn, the power washer, the pressure washer.
I think we should be fine.
Might just have to get a hose for now.
Just use the neighbors like to say again extension cord.
There you go. All right, I'll see you.